This is the VEVOR magnetic base drill. The cooling fluid reservoir is an awesome feature. On these drill bits, you'll see that there's two flat surfaces, and your set screws are going to set against those flat surfaces when you insert it in the drill. If you're going to use cooling fluid, you just insert the needle, and this needle is spring-loaded when it's inserted, and so when you start pushing against the metal, this will open up and begin feeding cooling fluid. There's a depth gauge on the side of the drill. I probably won't use it considering I'll just be punching holes, but it is a nice feature. So generally the way I live my life is I don't get the tools that I need. I sit there and beat myself up or break things trying to make something work. And so hopefully this drill is going to be my next go-to drill when I need to drill through heavy pieces of metal instead of trying to use a torch or a plasma cutter. And with this being a 1300 watt drill, I have no problem plugging it into a 15 amp outlet. So what sets this drill apart from all the drills that I've used in the past is a magnetic base. So that's the first thing that I'm excited to try out. Yeah, I don't even care if this thing drills at this point. I'm already pretty impressed with the magnetic base. I don't have any cooling fluid for the reservoir, so what I'm going to use is just regular cutting oil. I'm not going to install the needle in the middle of the bit because I don't have any of the fluid. I also like that they do give you these little cases for these bits. The steel I'm going to be drilling through is 3/32 regular carbon steel. So I probably could have went faster first time using this thing, but that ripped a hole through this metal pretty quick. This hole probably would have taken me, I don't know, 10 minutes or something to drill with a regular type drill. And I should have mentioned earlier that these are actually metric bits, but by the time I got done screwing around with a regular standard bit, trying to drill or finally getting mad and using a torch or something to punch a hole through metal, this metric bit's going to be just fine. This is a 30mm drill bit. It's the largest drill bit they give you. I was hoping that I could use the metal drills that I had, that I just use in my regular drill, but obviously there isn't the travel to make that happen. And so I'm gonna buy a smaller set of drill bits for this, but really it isn't that big of a deal because the only time I'd really use this anyway is if I was gonna drill some pretty big holes. In the past, I've used the cutting oil to drill holes, and it's worked for me just fine, but as you can see, there was a lot of smoke, and we figured it wouldn't be a proper review if we didn't try the reservoir and the actual coolant feed. And we decided to go with this Trim SC520 as the coolant for this drill. A lot of people in the review seem to like it, so we went ahead and tried it. This thing's about 50 bucks for this gallon. So I had no doubt this is gonna be a great drill. Everything I've gotten from VEVOR has been really good tools, and a lot of these videos I do are sponsored, but I've actually bought stuff from them just personally without them saying, oh, this is our promotion this month. So certainly everything that they have on their website, we were actually pretty amazed at all the stuff they have on their website. But all this stuff's pretty good, and we do these videos to try to help people kind of see what's out there. So I'm looking forward to using this drill in an upcoming project. I'm gonna be making a dethatcher with a 3-point hitch for my tractor. And I'm gonna be punching holes in this 1/8" steel, this 1/8" angle. And it's gonna be about 5 feet wide. And this is gonna be nice because I'm just gonna set this down and then just sit here and punch holes without having to mess with the drill press or something like that. So I'm really looking forward to using this drill for that project. We're so grateful for those who have subscribed and supported our channel, and we thank you for watching.